Everybody, Brian back with the Kaspa update here. Boy, big day out there today. You know, we've been talking about getting this break back up after finishing these Elliott waves here. We had our 5 waves up in our ABC. Then this arrow over here, you continue upwards, and looks like that's exactly what's happening here. We're up roughly 17% for the day, so this thing is doing fantastic. Now we have broken. We have taken back this support zone right here at, let's see, where is that, 0.0285. I expect this thing to come back and back test this now as support. The next resistance you want to watch out for is up at that 0.032. We want to get through that area next, okay? And then the next resistance up after that's at 0.035. And then our daily resistance areas, okay? You can see this was support, then it became resistance. Now we have broken through that, retest this as support, then break up through this resistance level here. That would be the next target area, and then turn that into support. Okay, then if we get up through there, we're looking to take out and make a new high on this thing. So it's looking fantastic. We'll get right back to this chart in a second. Just wanted to show you guys they had another exchange listing. And if you could hit the like and subscribe button, I would appreciate that so much, guys. Helps me out a ton, and definitely gives me some motivation to do this every day. So, excuse me. They ended up getting listed on L Bank, and we talked about Uphold and BitGet. So that's 3 exchange listings in the last week. So this thing is that's great. That's going to get more liquidity in, and obviously pump the price. We talked about that the other day in that video, just getting on Uphold and BitGet. And now L Bank, that's pretty awesome. But it's going is set to list Kaspa on its platform on April 25th at 11 a.m. UTC time. All right, so that's great. Here's the crypto bubbles for the day. You can see some big gains out there today. It's nice to see. A lot of these daily RSIs have turned up and turned bullish. I don't think anybody really expected Bitcoin to make its move like it did today. Everybody was talking that it had more down pressure to go, and yet all them shorts get liquidated, so kind of causing a squeeze going up here. But the market cap's up 6.6%. Volume, look at that, 56% volume over 24 hours. That's great, seeing buyers come in. Bitcoin dominance is up almost 2%. And the crypto fear and greed indicators is at a 56. We were at a 53 yesterday. Here's your top 100 coins. See, render's up, wow, big time, 33.5%. Got some nice gains out there today. This market is looking great. I just did a Fetch video, Fetch AI, and that thing looks, it's forming a perfect cup and handle pattern. And boy, if it breaks out of that, it's got a long ways up. So let's get back to Kaspa here. I wanted to show you guys Bitcoin real quick, because Bitcoin and the DXY, because of course we keep an eye on both of those. All right, the big thing about Bitcoin is now this was a resistance before, okay, turned into support, lost that, turned into resistance, and now we have flipped back above it. Okay, watch for Bitcoin to come down and retest that. Let's put that level here, right? It's probably right in here. Okay, right around that, and hold the 28.4. Okay, the RSIs are getting a little high on it. The 4-hour is right at the top. I wanted to show you that daily too. Boy, that thing is reset and ready to go. Look at that daily RSI down there at the bottom. It's ready to go. But the lower ones, they're getting high. The 2 hours up the top, and the 1 hour's on its way down. Looks like it's curving there, wanting to turn back up. But I'm sure Bitcoin will come back down and retest this area as support, at some time here. It's hard to tell when. Nobody can predict the future on this stuff, but all you can do is give it your best shot here. The dollar is down again today. It's down 0.4%. So we talked about that. Falling dollar equals rising prices in crypto and stocks. That's for sure. So that thing is continuing to fall. And let's get back. I'm going to show you that Bitcoin dominance really quick, and then we're going to get back to Kaspa. But Bitcoin dominance, it is right up there. Let's put this on the weekly. You can see this zone it has been in for 2 years now, I believe. This goes back to, yeah, April of 21. It has been in this zone right here ever since, and you can see the weekly RSI down there. It's flipping up for this thing. So if the Bitcoin dominance takes off, you know, it obviously Bitcoin will be taking more of the market share then. But when that thing drops back down, that RSI is very high on the weekly. All right, it turned bearish right now. It's at 81.6 and 83.7. It has done a bearish flip. The daily is coming up, so it could bust right through here. It's hard to say. Hopefully it don't. Hopefully it gets rejected at that 48.9 area and starts falling down over. But let's get back to Kaspa here. I apologize, guys. I feel it's important to show you guys that stuff because it all ties into the crypto market. You know, if that stuff isn't going right, then all of this stuff is falling. All right, so this Kaspa on the daily, you can see the RSI is just turning up on that thing, which is absolutely beautiful. The weekly is almost reset. You can see it's just starting to make a curve on the blue line here. Okay, once that gets reset, this thing is showing extreme strength. Okay, that 4 hour is getting near the top. You can see that breakout of resistance here, that resistance line that we broke out of. All right, that we want to flip 0.032. We need to bust through that and flip that into support now. Okay, that would be this one right up here, this support line. You can see it was support here, lost it. We busted up back up through and gained this support zone back right here. We're going to have to retest that first probably. Then we'll be making a run at this one. Okay, and then that last resistance I was up at 0.035. Then we would be looking at making a new all-time high, okay, if we bust through that area. So let's go through these RSIs real quick. The 4 hour is near the top. The 2 is near the top. And the 1 is towards the top, okay? And your 12 is at the top, okay? So this thing might have a little bit of gas left in it. We'll have to just wait and find out. But the important thing is you know, a support resistance flip, an SR flip. You want to see that, okay? Resistance flipped into support, okay? That's huge. That's number one, okay? And we could, like I said, we could be starting, you know, inside this move, a 5 wave up here. We'll have to see how it plays out. Nobody knows for sure what's going on here, but this could be your 3 wave pullback and then your 5. You know, we'll have to see how it plays out. Well, you know, the candles print the story. So, but we broke out of this resistance here, and we broke out of this resistance here. Kaspa is looking fantastic. Please hit the like and subscribe button, guys. Thank you so very much for watching my video, and God bless everybody.